We are here outside of the Frontier Trading Post, and we're going to go in and just see what they have for pins, because this is one of the areas in Magic Kingdom where I feel like they have a decent selection. Quite a few hundred pins on the wall, I think. So let's go on in, check it out. Tell me how pin trading works, in case people don't know about it or are not too aware of pin trading.
So, cast members, sometimes around the park, you can see them around with this kind of thing full of pins. And if you have a pin that you want to trade, you can use that pin and look what they have to trade.
And from what I understand, the cast members can't really say no, so you can really, you know, get anything. If you see a pin that you really like and you're willing to trade one of yours, you're guaranteed to get that pin. I carry these pins around. I have several lanyards with several pins. These I value very much, so I do not trade these. But if I wanted to, I could encounter a cast member or even another guest in the park and ask them if they'd like to trade for something. And it's a cool thing. It's fun to collect, so worth checking out. If you or the kids, adults can do it, we do it with the kids. It's pretty awesome. I'll have another tip coming up in a minute. Looks like we have a whole, go ahead.
Let's see how this wall looks with pins.
Yeah. Looks like we got Nightmare Before Christmas stuff going on.
Pins with a lanyard.
You can get some pin sets. That's fairly popular to get you started, just like it says. Starter set. Here we've got a bunch of cool. I have that one. Currently wearing it. Currently not wearing it. This one has a nice little silhouette of Sally in it. That's pretty cool. And the pins range from $9.99 to $14.99. What is that one? It's kind of Jack Jack and Sally. Yeah, those two are the same. Look at that one. Opens and closes. My favorite pins, look at this.
That's my favorite pin.
Yeah, that's the stolen one.
Yeah.
Yikes.
But that's what it is.
Here we go. That one opens. Open that one. This Jack Skellington one opens, which looks pretty neat.
Let me see. There you go.
Look at that. My favorite ones are the ones that open and move.
Yeah,
of course, those are the ones that are a little more expensive. Okay. Okay. And this one is reminiscent of Haunted Mansion. I think, and there's several versions too. There's the Oogie Boogie version, and there's the Jack Skellington version.
They're pretty well organized, as you can see on the wall.
Yeah, they're organized by nameplates. You got Mickey and Friends, Theme Park and Resorts, Princesses, and so on. Let's see what we have over here. So we have Mickey and Friends, with some pretty neat ones. What might be your favorite one on the wall over here in this section? That's nice because it's a classic Mickey. I mean, it looks really, really vintage, really raw with the artwork there, the drawing.
My favorite might be this one right there.
That one's pretty neat.
That one's not Mickey. Oh no, it is Mickey related because.
Look at this one. I've never seen this one. Oh, and it opens. Look, it opens.
And it shows Mickey in
That's
it.
pretty neat.
So my favorite is either that one.
That one.
Or this one. That one's really cute.
That one is a cute one. That's one I haven't seen.
My happy faces.
I would say that one catches my eye right there. I think that's the best one on the wall.
Yeah.
That one's pretty cool.
It is.
A ghost will follow you home.
You forgot one of them?
I like this one too. Everything is satisfactual. That's a really cool one. I have not seen that one. Tower of Terror. Your room is ready. This section also represents the theme parks and resorts. Dinosaur, just Animal Kingdom. I have that one. I'd get that one. That one's pretty cool. See, I like that one. That's a favorite. It looks like it moves. Oh, look at that. They drop down. And they're scared. Yikes! A diamond in the rough. Look, it's Jack Jack. That's a new one. I have not seen that one. Here's the Star Wars section, but I have to say, there hasn't been too much new. And I wasn't really a fan of the solo ones. None of them really caught my eye, but this BB-8 will spin. Whee! Look at this letter frame. I have not noticed that before. Those are all pins. And you've got Cruella de Vil, Captain Hook, the Wicked Queen, Jafar, and you have Hades, and you have Ursula, Maleficent, and Scar.
You can buy these boxes right here that have mysteries.
So you don't know what you're gonna get.
Yeah. So basically that's pin trading.
Yeah, it's like cards. When you open up cards, you never know what you're gonna get.
So when you want to pin trade, there's many ways that you can hold your pins, like this, like some sort of binder to hold all these in. That obviously says pin trading. You can also hold them in this bag.
Nice satchel, opens up, lots of area to hold the pins.
Or even
if you want to get crazy, you can wear this vest and just line your vest with all the pins front to back. And I've seen it. I've seen it before. These are $54.99. In that one, I think that's in the neighborhood of maybe 25 to 30 bucks in between there. So there you go. That concludes our little stop over there at the Frontier Trading Post. I did say I had one more tip for you. So the tip is this. If you go on eBay, you can go on very cheaply and buy a bulk of 25, 50 pins. And for the most part, the lot of pins are not the greatest pins in the world. So if you sort out the ones you don't want, bring them to Magic Kingdom, load up a lanyard just for trading, and you can be guaranteed that you will come out with a lot of cool pins. Guaranteed, we've done it. And we need to do it again, for sure. That's going to do it for us today here at Living in Diz at the Magic Kingdom. Now we checked out some pins, told you how to pin trade, and continue to enjoy Disney through the eyes of our family. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell, and share us on Facebook. So you can, everywhere. Send messages to the moon and to Mars. Just wherever you can get the message out, please do.
To space, to Neptune, to Pluto.
We're out of here.